right, I think we are started. Um, I'm going to ahead and begin the presentation. My name is Dan Ferguson. I'm one of the partners here at Groove Jones. We're a Dallas-based software technology company. We create custom software solutions for a wide variety of brands. So when we work with companies, we are generally creating XR, which is covering augmented reality, virtual reality, machine learning, AI. These are all digital experiences, but we're primarily building them for marketing and engagement and enterprise and training. What I'm going to be talking about today is I'm going to cover types of solutions that we've provided for 4 different financial institutions, and I'll jump in it right now. So the first one I'm going to talk about is it was an XR production for credit card applications, and we did this with MasterCard, and this was in partnership with MasterCard and American Airlines. And this is the Aviator card that MasterCard has. It's a private label credit card, and they were using this virtual reality experience as a pop-up experience to drive registrations for applications for the credit card. And because it was with American Airlines, the experience was to highlight the locations where American Airlines would travel. And so people would come to the event, they would line up, and in order to take part in the VR experience, they'd have to apply for a credit card as part of the process. And so I'll show you all of my demonstrations have a little bit of video, so I'll let the video tell the story a little bit, give you guys some fun visuals to watch here. So this is all VR, and the experience takes place within the airport. When the user puts on a headset, they are transported to the different locations where American Airlines would fly to from those airports. And so the credit card is all about promoting travel and earning miles. And the program then highlighted, a putt-putt course that would take place within these locations. So it was a hugely successful program because it engaged with an audience in a unique way that they're really not seeing credit card companies do. It plays into the MasterCard's Golf PGA program quite a bit because it is golf influence. And when the program originally launched, we launched at 3 airports. After that, we then launched it out into 3 more different airports for other carriers. The next one I'm going to talk about here is using XR for training. And this is a program that we developed with Wells Fargo. And it was all about store training, all about training their employees about customer interactions in VR. And so what would happen is we had 4 different scenarios. These were all dealing with different requests that the employees would deal with customers, from fee reversals to monitoring account balances to credential resets, or to even opening up a new savings account. And when they're in VR, this was also done with their HR program in VR, they're able to observe how the members are doing, dealing with the customer problem, and then what they did. And then at the end of it, they were then tested. I'll show you a quick video of what that looks like. We're in a branch with 2 team members. So these all took place within branches. These were all done with using computer graphics, photorealistic. It's a beautiful thing. And they would watch how the customer and the employee interact with each other.
And my credit card balances.
Welcome to Wells Fargo. I'm AJ, and I'd be glad to help you with that. May I ask your name?
Oh, sorry. My name is Jane Doe.
And then
Thank you, Jane.
there are various things where the employee is faced with a problem, where they have to come up with a solution, and whether or not they handled the customer issue properly. And
Hey, Devin,
I
this
mean,
is
it
James
handled
Doe.
all different
Thanks for
kinds of
being on.
personalities. Each session was about 3 or 4 minutes long.
Hi, Devin.
Hi, Jane. To get started,
I'm going to then show you another one. So this was with Capital One. This was with a community outreach program. So Capital One invites students onto their campus, on their headquarters campus, and they engage with an augmented reality experience. So this is part of a STEM program to teach kids about science, technology, engineering, and math. I mean, people are always looking for an engaging way to use these technologies. The next one I'm going to show you too is another. This is an XR experience that we did with Western Union, and this was around their new headquarters. And within their headquarters, there are AR moments throughout their headquarters that employees can engage with. And so they're telling the history of the company by activating the various AR moments hidden throughout their headquarters. Even a timeline of walking through the history of Western Union. The various technologies that they invented, their IP. And all this is running on the employees' phones, all throughout their headquarters. And that's the end of my program. So I wanted to highlight a couple different ways that these financial groups are using XR to engage with their audience, engage with their customers, to train their employees, to generate credit card applications. And there's a lot of other ones, but I only had 10 minutes. So I hope if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, we're a US-based technology studio here based out of Dallas, Texas. And so if I get any emails, I'll answer you directly.